In this video series, you'll learn about the different product types within Ecomdash. We will cover products, kits, and built products. In this first video, we're going to really focus on the individual product, really just a simple product, which is an item in your inventory. For example, it could be a dog collar, a pillow, or a sweater. Your products can be found within the inventory management screen. As you can see here, a travel hiking backpack, which is just waterproof outdoor trekking bag. If you click the binoculars, you'll be able to see the various details of the individual product. You'll see the SKU number, the quantity on hand, the sync quantity, reorder levels, and other various settings. With each product, you have a lot of opportunities for customization. For example, a reorder level is really just a level that you set, so whenever your product reaches this quantity, you'll receive an inventory alert. This is an email that'll go to you alerting that you are low on this specific product. From there, you can create purchase orders within Ecomdash and receive more products. From there, you can also say if this is a variation, give it a reserve level, a target inventory level, and other various supplier information, shipping information, manufacturing information, and so on. The individual product is just the basic element of your Ecomdash account. From here, you can really set warehouse priorities. You can also set images, storefronts, and so on. And that's it. In the next video, we'll cover a kit, which is also known as a bundle. And then after that, we'll cover the built products and variations.